Yeah, we come down here to Silverhill to do some more sawmilling, cut some more wood into lumber. Y'all see what it's doing? We got inside this little old gazebo top to get out of the rain, but y'all see what's happening here. We can't mill wood when it's raining. And so we're just gonna sit here until it quits raining, or until we give up on it and go back to the house. I should have come over to JD's earlier this morning, but I didn't. Can y'all hear that over this phone? We did get some boards laid out there yesterday to put the wood on it. We're going to cut today. I don't know if y'all can hear that or not, but I believe it has put in the rain. We take the scrap lumber that we cut off of there that is no good and put it over here on this pile. But it's raining. I can't get my radar picture to come up on my phone. I don't know what's the matter with it. I want y'all to see that it's not all fun and games trying to mill lumber, especially whenever this happens. Yeah, my hand is shaky. My camera work is not the best. I'm not a professional cameraman. Y'all need to understand this. Y'all just see what it's doing. I appreciate everybody watching this. Bye, everybody.